warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dita Kayutantri.
My name is Uci Nurul Hidayati.
We want to make a flower and the materials are a colorful HVS paper,
One glue paper,
scissors,
double tip,
selection tape,
and the last is razor blade.
and a vase. So the steps are:
First, fold the HVS paper into two parts like this.
then cut with razor blade.
After that, you must fold the HVS paper again.
And then cut the HVS paper in horizontal line until the end of the paper.
Because you must cut in a small line, you must be careful not to injure your finger.
Open the HVS paper into the other side. Then use glue to stick the HVS paper. After that, you must patch the paper and wait until it dry.
Roll the HVS paper to make a branch from corner to the another side of the corner. After that, add double tip to make it sticky. Then, cut the top and the bottom of the branch to make it neat.
Then, use double tip in the top of the branch to make it sticky. Then, twist the flower in the branch to make it a beautiful flower. You must roll the paper like a blossom flower. After that, use double tip to make the flower stuck on the branch. With only one papers, you can make two flowers.
Take the vase
And put the flowers on it.
so a beautiful flower ready to display in your room.
This is our craft. So, thank you for watching our video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.